A recent E. coli outbreak in Calgary Daycares has raised concerns over the well-being of children. Local health practitioners have been quick to take appropriate steps in order to prevent further spread of the infection. All of the Calgary daycares in the affected area have been shut down while health practitioners investigate the root cause. The Public Health Agency of Canada has advised parents to keep their children away from the affected daycares until further notice. Additionally, Alberta Health Services has recommended that all daycare workers take additional precautionary measures. They have issued a list of instructions for each daycare to follow in order to minimize the risk of contamination. It is believed that the source of the infection may be related to contaminated food or water. Alberta Health Services is working closely with the daycare staff to identify the source of the E. coli outbreak. The daycare facility in question is being closely monitored and tested for any potential contamination. Health practitioners are also gathering samples and testing the food and drinks that are served in the daycare cafes. Further tests are being conducted inside the daycare premises to check for any sign of the infection. All food and drinking supplies are being discarded and replaced immediately to reduce the risk of infection. Health officials are warning parents to keep their children away from the affected daycares until further notice. Alberta Health Services and the Public Health Agency of Canada are constantly monitoring the situation in order to contain the E. coli outbreak. Infected children have been encouraged to stay at home until they are cleared by health specialists. Emergency care for children who have become ill with the infection is also being offered. In addition, health professionals are providing tips for parents to keep their children safe from the infection. They are recommending frequent hand washing, avoiding contact with potentially contaminated surfaces, and avoiding contact with anyone exhibiting symptoms. Alberta Health Services is also reminding parents to seek medical attention if their child shows any symptoms. Health practitioners are reassuring the public that the situation is under control and measures are being taken to contain the infection. The daycare facilities in question are undergoing thorough cleaning and sanitizing process to prevent further spread of the infection. New cleaning protocols and procedures have been implemented and all staff are advised to wear protective equipment while interacting with children. CBC News has reported that all the daycares in the affected area are due to reopen shortly, pending a thorough inspection and approval by Alberta Health Services. The facilities will also need to meet the new guidelines and safety protocols put in place by the governing bodies. Each daycare is expected to complete a detailed risk assessment and have all their documents updated and approved by health experts.